Quick review of form because it's important. Feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, hands at your sides, and you're ready to go. Welcome back to the Juggling Guild. We're going to cover a more advanced trick that I think is going to help you an awful lot. 3-club back crosses. 3-club back crosses, at first, there's a couple of things to know. Again, just like under the legs, it's a body throw, so you're going to be catching the club normally, sliding it down to the ring grip, and then supporting that club with and steering it with your pointer finger. When you do the behind the back throw, it's really, really important that you keep a straight torso. The hand moves around the body, the torso doesn't move around the hand, okay? A lot of people like to lean back or they lean to the side because they're afraid of the club coming around and hitting them in the face. But what happens is the club follows the direction of the body. So if you're going like this, it's actually coming back at you. If you keep your torso still and just let it come around, so you're trying to keep the torso as still as possible without leaning forward, without leaning backward, okay? So as you learn it, you'll just want to turn the head to look for it coming over the shoulder, and you're sweeping down across the back, turning your hand in, and it's really important that you straighten your arm completely at the bottom. A lot of people like to try to cheat to get it out of their hand as fast as possible, and it comes over on a funny angle if you don't straighten your arm and make a whole throw, okay? So they're trying to get back to the next club because they think they don't have enough time, but really you have plenty of time. So you want to straighten the arm, straighten the arm, straighten the arm, straighten the arm, so you get a full throw out of it. Don't cheat it back here because it's going to look funny as it comes over, okay? So that's not how to do it. Here's how to do it. Straighten the arm from the back, coming up the back. So it's up here and come out to catch. Up here, come out to catch. Catch, catch. Trying not to lean. Learn it really well with one club. Make that part of your warm-up instead of doing your multiple flips because you're super good at those already. Start doing some body throws, some of these, some of those, and learn those, but for the back crosses, we'll focus on them today. Next step is incorporating it into the 3-club pattern. Again, you don't want to juggle and juggle and juggle and wait for the perfect opportunity to throw. You want to get started right away and get the feedback from actually making the throw, seeing what happens, picking up the club if you need to, and going again. The first step then is going to be to try to do every 3rd club. So it's the same club coming around every time, right? On the right side, same club. Step back so we get the whole thing in. And left side, same club coming around. Same club. Straighten that arm. Straighten the arm. The next step is every other club. 1, throw, 1, throw, 1, throw, 1, throw, throw, throw. Learn it on the other side. Throw, 1, throw, 1, throw, 1, throw. When you're first learning, you may want to lob that left-hand throw before you make your throw to give you a little bit of time. Or lob it, get ready. Okay, as soon as you're making the throw, you're giving yourself a little time with the left-hand throw up here. Okay, same on the right side, give yourself a little time. Or you can just juggle a wee bit higher and you should have enough time, okay? Soon you'll speed it up and it won't matter so much. Next step after every other throw is to try to do 2 in a row. 1, 2, and do 10 sets of these. 1, 2, that's 2, 1, 2, that's 3, so on up to 10. Again with the left side, 2 in a row. 1, 2, 1, 2, up to 10. Then of course 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Soon, you'll be able to do 10 in a row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And by about this point, you'll also want to start doing 2 a left and a right. Okay, so 2 in a row, 1, 2. Back to the pattern, 1, 2. Back to the pattern, 2, and then a flash. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, you can go to 6. So you get equal numbers in both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And continue and do 10 of those again. Practice in sets. So you can do 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back. So you're practicing getting into the pattern, getting out of the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you're getting to that stage, what really, really helps, some people skip this step. I think it's really useful. But do what I call a century. I've mentioned this before when you're learning 2 in 1 hand. Just do 100 throws, and it really ingrains that throw in, so you don't have to really concentrate or think about it. And if you drop at 21 or whatever, start at 21 and keep going all the way to 100. Then you'll know you've done enough back crosses on that side for the day. Do another 100 on this side, and it's going to be really, really comfortable when you start doing your consecutive throws. Practice daily. You're going to get really awesome, really quick. If you do that, you'll be practicing like a pro. We'll see you again in the next video.